Hello everyone, now it's time for CUET PG Sociology Mentorship for this session. हम लोग ऑनलाइन, ऑफलाइन एंड हाइब्रिड मोड में अवेलेबल होंगे एंड आवर क्लासेस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 10th of this month. So why choose me? I have years of experience of teaching CUET PG Sociology, and year after year my students have secured top rank in CUET PG Sociology, and my mentorship is highly personalized. Means आपका background चाहे sociology का हो या ना हो, आपने graduation में कुछ पढ़ा है या नहीं पढ़ा, it's totally immaterial. I will start from basic to build your strong foundation. उसके बाद I will discuss each and every part of syllabus in detail, then repeated revision, test series, discussion, mocks, and by end of our classes you will be so comfortable in tackling all the question of sociology that is relevant to CUET PG. So mentorship feature, I told you that I will be available online, offline and in hybrid classes. So in hybrid classes you will have offline access, means you can come to our center and study, as well as online link will be provided. So for offline classes we are conducting at Institute for Humanity. Institute for Humanity सुब्रा रंजन मैम की इनिशिएटिव है, जो पॉलिटिकल साइंस की मोस्ट रेनाउंड फैकल्टी हैं यूपीएससी के लिए. तो अगर आपको ऑफलाइन क्लासेस लेना है तो आपको सुब्रा रंजन आईएएस आना होगा, राइट? और क्लासेस लाइव और रिकॉर्डेड होंगे, एमसीक्यू सीरीज होगा, 1-to-1 इंटरेक्शन होगा. मींस वेन एवर यू नीड your teacher for doubt or anything to strategize, I will be available, right? And then complete mentorship and revision. Yes, what is our vision for you? So my aim is to get you selected in top university like JNU. देखो गाइस, मेरे मेंटरशिप ज्वाइन कर रहे हो ना, तो आपको JNU से नीचे सोचने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. And how you will achieve this? By sociology on the tip of your tongue. I told my methodology, strong foundation, repeated revision, test series, mentorship एट एवरी स्टेज. और कुल मिलाकर के सोशियोलॉजी में आप इतने एक्सपर्ट हो जाओगे, रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर बैकग्राउंड, दैट यू विल इजीली क्वालिफाई CUET PG with highest score. So please join our classes, and if you want to join our class you have to scan this QR code and this will direct you to Institute for Humanity website. There you can enroll, you can download our app. In case of any problem, feel free to communicate to us on the number that is given in the website. Thank you so much guys.